observed as it is, and that means it's uh, the distill model is actually giving the same result as that of the 3 billion model, but it contains less parameter, and it contains uh, actually the word processing time is going to be less. That means they are actually created a one model, that is a bird model. For bird model, uh, for example, they took that the model, the original model size is decreased by 31 times, reduced by 31 times, and
Hmm.
the speed of execution is increased by 16 times,
Okay.
but the quality of the output is nearly the same.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
so did you guys test did any sort of test on this model? So, like any summaries which are created using the model what you were describing, like the birth.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, 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 still
I
not.
guess I guess then if we find some potential alternatives
Hmm.
which still retains the same level of efficiency as T5 3 billion model, it's
Hmm.
better for us to test it because
Yeah.
it's not it's not about just making the existing model better, but if there is some alternative which is provided, right?
Hmm.
So it's better for us to test it like immediately, like
Hmm.
whatever, like one or two alternatives available, and then depends on the quality of the summarization.
Hmm.
We can always make a decision, like the way we made the decision on T5 3 billion model, and till
Yeah.
now we didn't see any replacement for that
Yeah.
because of the quality with which it summarizes. So now, if there is some alternative model which can be executed in like 16 times less time and with greater efficiency, uh, that's what we are aiming to achieve on T5 model, right? So I
Yeah.
think that makes sense for us to go there and parallelly test it out
Hmm.
and present the results as you presented it on T5 3 billion model.
Hmm.
So whatever the way you have sent the summaries across, sent it across,
Hmm.
run it on the same document what I've sent to you and same pages. Then we
Hmm.
can obviously measure the difference between how T5 3 billion model has summarized and how this one has summarized. I can just relatively look at both of them and exactly see which is of better quality. And if it's like only slight difference, and if
Hmm.
it's only slightly different and different, I think then we can obviously go ahead and choose the alternative model
Yeah.
because what happens is linear progression of time
Hmm.
means definitely people coming onto platform will not have any fixed word count.
Hmm.
Some
Yeah.
person might even come and upload 100 pages document at once.
Hmm.
That means he has to wait till the next day morning to get it summarized. So
Yeah.
it's so that linear progression is the biggest bottleneck because like if people have like lesser word count like 100, it's fine,
Hmm.
but generally summarizations, people tend to feed in like large quantity of data because they don't have time and they don't want it to read through piles of information at once. So I think once that's done, every person, like it's taking for them like 6 7 hours to
Hmm.
get their summary. It's it's not a practical solutions. We might deliver the quality, but time is of also the
Hmm.
greatest essence,
Yeah.
right? So time is also of greatest essence. So if we have a relatively effective quality what we can produce with substantially lower time, like as you were describing on birth mode, just go
Hmm.
ahead and run it, share the results across, and we can just make a quick decision. It
Yeah.
doesn't need to take like so much time for us to formulate a decision because actually we need to move on to the
Hmm.
next sprint because what's happening is we onboarded marketing and there would be a lot
Hmm.
of marketing stuff will also parallelly take place. So and whatever the early adopters who would opt our platform, they need
Hmm.
to have some minimum viable product, like something minimum to use and start off with, like so. And definitely and we also have begun talks with investors, and there are a lot of investors paying attention for what's happening
mm,
because the way we are pulling through the project, like there are 50, 60 people working on the project, and the way it's unfolding. So like it is creating a momentum of itself. So now we have to like just streamline things pretty quicker, because whatever, like the lag is like there cannot be any lag,
mm,
because actually like a month back, we never started communicating our story to the investors, or within our network. But
mm,
like as the website and the content and the marketing, everything is coming along. So we already began talks with the investors. The companies is being is about to be registered this week. This week.
mm.
So there is like there are a lot of things happening parallelly. There are a lot of moving pieces to the company, right? So
Yeah.
definitely, the lag would like hit us hard, like because obviously it's not about just one department. There are multiple departments moving at once. So
Mm,
now what happens is, the way marketing works is they build the momentum and they push the momentum. Now like the momentum needs to be handled by the product, right?
mm,
So
yeah.
basically once they start bringing in early adopters, the pressure on tech team keeps increasing,
Mm,
because there would be a lot of bugs, breakage, and all that stuff happening. So it's better for us to be as efficient as possible, because
mm,
there would be a lot of work even after people start subscribing and coming on board, because that's where you see deficiencies in code, some breakage, some issues. So that's an altogether a different ball game in itself. So now
yeah.
at least we have to have a minimum stack. It's okay. It's okay to have breakages and some sort of discrepancies. It's still fine, but it's how fast we can fix it, right? As a team.
Mm,
So so it's better for us to wrap this up, wrap the summarization model. So hopefully, I think our next call is by Thursday. Run the
mm,
birth model across, and definitely if it's 16 times, if it's, the time is reduced by 16 times, like which is the way it's stated, that's like
mm,
a significant decrease. Like 16
mm,
times is, if it's taking 5 minutes, 1/16th of that is like in seconds, and that's
yeah.
what we are aiming for. So and still if it's able to retain the same amount of quality, we can just go ahead and implement that model for time being. And then eventually, like as we said, this is not the end, this is just
Mm,
the beginning. The
yeah.
journey is on totally based on improvisation, because as a
Mm,
company we have to constantly deliver the superior quality product to the customers, to
yeah.
stay on top of the game. So the beginning can be like strong and optimal. It doesn't have to be like the exceptional product, and where we take like 3 years to come up with that. It's
Mm-hmm.
it's it's just enough to get started,
Mm,
and definitely a lot of work is in the improvisation, right?
mm, yeah.
Because it's in the team's best interest as well, because the funds keeps coming into the company and all that stuff. That means a lot of people working on this project might be absorbed by the company, right? So it's
Mm,
in team's best interest, and definitely the stock options and everything would play a very crucial factor, because now uh, we were recently approached by like a fund from Texas. So there is a lot of stuff happening like internally, so we have to
mm,
keep up with them as well, because once we promise something that will show them something in like x amount of time, we have
mm,
to make sure there is like, if we say x and if it becomes 2x, that
mm,
means they will doubt the competency of the management, right? So
yeah.
it's like, yeah, having like minute discrepancies is okay, like 1 or 2 days, because they will also understand. In tech
Mm,
there is obviously like little bit ups and downs, but like if
mm,
we say like 1 month, and if we like take 2 months to deliver it, that means they see that like somehow it's like management fault that they're unable to pull it through in the right way.
mm,
So
mm,
I guess that's I think, uh, let's wrap the summarization thing. Run the birth model across, and whatever the other model which you feel has the same level of efficiency, share
mm,
the documents across, and we can
mm,
just make the quick decision. Because now I have an summarization document of T5 3 billion model anyhow. You will
mm,
send me this document, I'll go through it, then
mm,
measure both documents and see the
mm,
accuracy of both. And if there is only slight variation,
mm.
it's good enough. Like because as company we focus on improvisation rather than just uh, giving them the groundbreaking product just on day one, right?
Yeah.
Because yeah, so I think that's our core focus, and that's our agenda for next Thursday, is
Mm,
run the different models like the birth model and whatever the other model which you find relevant, and let's conclude, like let's wrap up the summarization by next Thursday. And then we have a lot more moving pieces in adaptive roadmap as well. So that is also, that will also be a very interesting sprint, because
mm,
I definitely see like, because the development team will actually run through the process very fast, because sheer number of people working on the project. Definitely, I see for ML that there is a slight disadvantage, but
mm.
irrespective of what it is, we have to keep up with the pace. There
Yeah.
is no alternative for that, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, so I think let's by this Thursday, let's wrap up the summarization model,
Mm,
run the birth model across, send me the documents, and if you
mm,
feel any other document, like any other model is relevant, run it
mm.
through on GCP, because now you have a greater computing power. I think it has to make the job much easier to run it. Uh,
But there is no availability of GPU in GCP. We need to ask permission from Google Cloud platform for that. We need to request for them.
yeah.
I sent one screenshot thing last week.
Mhm.
Uh, it asking the mobile number for verification, and it will send a verification code to Mike's mobile. Yeah, that means the who I think if he
I
made
think
it that.
then like for even to run the birth model, you need GPU, or the
No, no.
current computing power is sufficient.
For bird model, it is not necessary. But if we used GPU for any model, that means if it's a T5 model or it's a bird model,
Mhm.
the execution time will be much lesser for both.
Okay, then definitely like we'll just go ahead and send the verification thing, but you can still run the birth model on the existing computing power, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you just go ahead and run on the existing computing power, and then we'll
Mm,
just go ahead and like ask for the request, and
mm,
definitely then we can use our numbers for the verification and get
mm,
it done. So like just run the birth model across, like because 16 times lesser time and still the same level of efficiency. That's pretty interesting to hear. So I think the
mm,
document will speak for itself. Like once you summarize it, the
mm.
quality speaks for itself. So just summarize and send the document across, and then we can just go ahead and make the decision.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like for time being, that's good enough. Time being, that's good enough, because like ultimately we are developing an MVP. It's a minimum viable product. Like the product just enough to get
Mm,
started. So it's not
yeah.
an like it's not an like best product. It's just the right amount of product, but which is in superior in quality than our competitors, right? So that's
Mm,
that's enough to get started. So from there, it's like a lot of the company's growth is always based on improvisation. So
mm,
yeah, I think that should be completely fine.
yeah.
So
So I guess
project, sorry about that. The
yeah.
project, the BERT model is the second model, right? The one that we talked about. Is it? Did you say it's released or it's still in the research phase?
No,
Is it
recent.
accessible?
No, I searched for that, but I didn't get the previous model, which is a large one. That means which cannot give a 16 times much faster result. That is that is available for now.
And
The fastest model we need to explore it, because I recently found out that that means the new paper, that research paper is recently uh, they published it. That means but the all of the research, that kind of research always uh, give their model within short time.
Mhm.
they open source the research models within short time. But I
Okay.
will keep an eye on that.
Yeah, that's good. Just it's good for our minimum viable product. I guess
Yeah,
it's just as long as it works.
Mm,
Just like Mindip said, it's fine. It's just
mm.
yeah.
let's stick to that. And are you using the same content, the same passage that Mindip provided
Yeah, yeah.
for yeah? So it makes it easier to compare all the outputs and
For first few days,
see.
I used first half of that text, and that means around 900 words. And after that, I used the complete words around 1800 words completely.
Great. Okay.
So I guess yeah, like then just run the birth model if like because that's available, and
Mm,
send and just summarize the same passage, right?
mm,
Because if you summarize the different one, then what happens is it's very difficult to compare,
mm.
right? So
Yeah,
summarize the
yeah,
same passage and send it across, and then we can make a quick decision because 16 times lesser time is like if it's taking 1 minute, then it would only take like probably 16 seconds, I guess. So that's a substantial reduction in time, right? So I think let's get started with that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay
So
then.
is there anything, and regarding GPU, we'll definitely ask for access with Google. So that's something which me and Mike will be doing like tomorrow.
Mm,
But I think for now the existing computing power should be sufficient enough to pull through the BERT model, right? So yeah.
yeah.
So just run it across and share the document. And Thursday we'll just conclude. We'll wrap it up, right?
Okay.
And then we'll
Yeah.
dive into the adaptive roadmap. We'll begin the adaptive roadmap. And I think maybe Thursday would be wrapping up of summarization, and as well as hopefully the sprint will also begin this week. Poya, like, are you aware that in terms of integrations and everything, I think it's almost done, right?
Yeah, the second sprint is done, so
Yeah,
we might have a retrospective tomorrow, and as well as deciding which day to begin our third sprint.
yeah,
So this week will be the next sprint. So it's
yeah.
the beginning of the next sprint. Yeah.
So like mostly like you guys might also be part of that, because definitely in sprint what happens is we first explain the features and everything very clearly,
Mm,
so that you guys are also aware of what you guys will be working on. Definitely for ML we'll have a different discussion, but it's better for you guys to also join the sprint meeting, and I'll make sure you guys are added to the calendar once the sprint meeting is finalized, because then
yeah.
it's very easy for you, like like the entire team can hear about the features at once, and then like we can individually come back to the ML team and give our specific requirements about what we are looking from adaptive roadmap, right? So
Yeah.
I think yeah, then like we can get started with this, and hopefully I guess like around Thursday or Friday the sprint will begin, because in these coming days we'll actually wrap up with the retrospective, as Oya said, and do a bit of sprint planning,
Mm,
and because like we also have a product manager now, so I guess hopefully it would begin on Thursday or Friday of this week, right?
okay.
So let's wrap up the summarization by Thursday.
Mm,
So next call, I guess we will wrap up the summarization.
yeah, yeah.
Next
Sure.
ML call, yeah, perfect. So like I'll be looking forward for the document
Mm,
using the birth model, and then once that's done, we can just implement it and just move forward, and just make sure once you run the birth model, push the code onto the GitHub, and also
mm-hmm.
like on Thursday it would be code demo, right?
Yeah.
If birth
Yeah.
model, like once I look at the model and it's good enough, then you can give the code demo for Mike, and then he will be uh,
Mm,
looking at how how it talks to the app, right? So how the messages can go back and forth, right, for summarization. So he will be looking at that angle. So
yeah.
Thursday, basically before Thursday, send me the document,
Mm,
and on Thursday it would be basically code demo on birth model.
okay.
It would be a code demo on birth model, and then we'll just wrap it up and move to the next sprint, adaptive roadmap.
Yeah. Sure.
Perfect. So is there anything else?
No, no.
Awesome, awesome. So then I guess that's all for today. So you guys can just go ahead and send me the document before Thursday, and Thursday would be absolutely code demo.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now then Mike will look at the technical aspect of it, and then like we'll like on Thursday it would be wrapped up.
Okay. Fine.
Perfect. So once again, thank you so much, guys. Keep up the good work, and I wish I wish you guys a great day. And is like